Gentleman left, lady right. We're going to dance 4 walks moving down the room. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to dance a rock step, which is transferring your weight from one foot to the other, a little bit like the action of a rocking chair. Rock, 2, 3, 4. So shall we put that together? So we actually dance these group of steps twice. So let's see if we can do it twice. Gent left, lady right, walk. 1, 2, 3. Now we rock. Back, forward, back, and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock. Back, forward, back, forward. So now the next movement is what we call a scissor movement. Gent left, lady right, and step and point, step and point, step and point, step and point. So that was good. Let's see if we can go back to the beginning. So gentleman left, lady right, 1, 2, 3, rock. 1, 2, 3, repeat the walks. 1, 2, 3, rock. 1, 2, 3. Now our scissor movements, left side, point, right side, point. Left side, point, right side, point. Now we come to the section where we're adding the chassis. Chassis to his left, chassis to his right. Now we're going to do our rotary chassis, which is where we go round. Man goes across, then lady goes across, which puts us back to our commencing position. So let's go back and see if we can join that all together. Walk, 2, 3, and we rock. 1, 2, 3, and we walk. 1, 2, 3, and we rock. 1, 2, here's the scissor movement. 1, tap. Keep going forward, gents. Keep going backwards, ladies. Now the group of chassis. To his left, to his right. Round we go for the end of the dance.